Hey there, Davin Lim, Dermatologist. So you would like to know more about how Coolsculpting can help your chin. Well, Coolsculpting has been with us for over a decade. It's a very good treatment, it's safe, and in most cases it's effective. In the context of treating submental fat or double chins, it can be an excellent modality for some patients. The most important factor to consider is if you are a candidate, because there are many causes of excess bulging in the chin area, and that could be what's known as pre-platysma fat, post-platysma fat, as well as skin laxity. And to understand more, you need to actually have a consult with an expert prior to undertaking a treatment. With Coolsculpting, most patients undergo between 2 to 3 sessions. Each session takes between 35 to 40 minutes with a minimal downtime. Most of the time we repeat that at either 4, 6 or 8 week intervals. In this situation, patients with excess fat do quite well. We expect a 25% reduction with the first treatment, and with the second up to 40% reduction. In some cases, because of the collateral inflammation, we do get some skin tightening. However, if you're more mature and you have a little bit of skin laxity, most dermatologists would use cryolipolysis or Coolsculpting in conjunction with skin tightening devices, and they include radiofrequency or HIFU, high intensity focused ultrasound. Speaking of which, that is another treatment to help with submental fullness. The upside about HIFU is the faster recovery time. However, it's more geared towards submental fullness, in other words double chins, where there's more laxity. By far the best treatment is simple liposuction. With liposuction, only one treatment is needed. The downtime is minimal, 2 to 3 days at most, and in that situation we often use skin tightening devices together with liposuction. Now, the final method, not my favorite, but it can be used, is that of deoxychoic acid. In other words, fat melting injections. Now, with this treatment, you will generally require between 2 all the way up to 5 sessions, depending on how big your bulge is. The downside about these injections is that, number one, it's super painful, but most importantly, the recovery time for each of these sessions is about 7 to 8 days. You'll have an immense amount of swelling for the first 3 days, thereafter recovering. So you multiply that by 4 or 5 and you've literally got a downtime of between 4 to 5 weeks. So probably not one of our most favorite solutions, but certainly it does exist. To learn more about what is the best treatment for submental fullness, discuss this with your dermatologist.